Welcome to our channel. If you want to remove your TikTok account forever, follow these step-by-step instructions to permanently delete your profile and all associated content. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your mobile device and log into the account you want to delete. Step 2. Tap on Profile in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Step 3. Tap the menu icon with 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to access settings. Step 4. Select Settings and Privacy from the menu options. Step 5. Scroll down and tap on Account to access account-related settings. Step 6. At the bottom of the Account section, tap Delete Account. Step 7. TikTok will display information about what happens when you delete your account and offer alternatives like temporarily disabling it. Step 8. If you want to proceed, tap Continue to move forward with deletion. Step 9. TikTok will ask you to verify your identity by entering a verification code sent to your phone or email. Step 10. After verification, confirm your decision to delete the account. Your account will be deactivated for 30 days before permanent deletion occurs, allowing you to recover it if you change your mind within that period. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.